Hello everyone, welcome to Global Institute AI. Today I have Keshav with me and he recently cleared the CEH practical exam, CEH version 13 practical exam, and because he cleared the MCQ exam earlier, so now he is CEH master. So I would like to know his experience with Global Institute AI.
Yeah, the experience was so good and thank you for the Vishal sir, so much helped me for the theory exam as well and the practical exam as well, which I cleared the theory exam last July around 90%, and then today I had my practical exam. I scored again around 90%.
So what was the level of questions that you feel in the exam?
The MCQ theory was okay, the practical was comparatively very hard.
Okay, and what about the what tools you use in the exam today?
Workshoot, and then in so much of Nmap, so many use of Nmap, and then steganography, so many steganography.
Okay, on the behalf of Global Institute AI, I would like to congratulate you.
Thank you so much, sir.
No.